Study Tips 101. Efficient study tips can significantly improve your learning and retention. Here are some effective strategies to make the most of your study sessions. Set clear goals. Before you begin studying, know exactly what you want to achieve. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals to stay focused and motivated. Create a study schedule. Develop a study schedule that allocates dedicated time for each subject or topic. Consistency is key, so try to stick to your schedule as closely as possible. Prioritize difficult material. Tackle the most challenging topics or tasks when your mind is fresh and alert. This approach ensures better comprehension and retention. Practice retrieval. Regularly quiz yourself on the material to reinforce learning and identify areas that need more attention. Flashcards and self-tests are great tools for this. Teach others. Explaining concepts to others solidifies your understanding. Study groups or teaching the material to a friend can help reinforce your knowledge. Take breaks. Your brain needs time to process and consolidate information. Take short breaks during your study sessions to stay focused and avoid burnout. Stay organized. Keep your study space and materials organized. A clutter-free environment can reduce distractions and help you stay on track. Use mnemonic devices. Mnemonics, such as acronyms or rhymes, can aid memory retention for complex information. Utilize visual aids. Diagrams, charts, and graphs can simplify complex ideas and make them easier to understand. Get enough sleep. Sleep plays a crucial role in memory consolidation. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to enhance your learning. Stay hydrated and eat well. Proper nutrition and hydration contribute to better cognitive function and focus. Review regularly. Periodically review past material to reinforce your memory and prevent forgetting. Limit distractions. Minimize interruptions during study sessions. Turn off notifications on your phone and find a quiet place to study. Exercise. Physical activity can improve concentration and memory. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Reward yourself. Celebrate your achievements and progress, no matter how small. Positive reinforcement can boost motivation. Stay positive. A positive mindset can enhance your learning experience and help you overcome challenges. Remember that everyone learns differently, so experiment with these tips to find what works best for you. Stay persistent, and don't be afraid to adjust your study strategies as needed. Happy studying!